Welcome, I'm Dave, and I'm the cook with cancer. So today we're going to be making easy lemon and almond cookies. So you want to get your oven on to 180 degrees C, or 160 degrees C if it's a fan. Then you want to get some unsalted butter up to room temperature. You can chuck it in the microwave for a little bit if you want to soften it. You want 115 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, and then using your electric whisk, you want to cream these two together. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg, being careful not to make a mess. I said don't make a mess. Then give these another whisk. Chuck in 75 grams of ground almond and 170 grams of plain flour. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then you want the zest of a lemon, so grate that straight in. And 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I just juiced the whole lemon. And being careful not to make a huge dust cloud, whisk this all together again. Then you want to prep your baking trays with baking paper. Roll your dough into balls and chuck them on. Being careful not to make a mess again. And chuck them in the oven for maybe 12 minutes until they're golden and crispy and gooey and delicious. In the meantime, you can make the glaze, which is 125 grams of icing sugar, a bit of lemon zest. I zested in a whole lemon again, then enough lemon juice to bring it all together. And bring them out and let them cool before tucking in. As you can see, mine were a bit big, but there we go. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, making sure to turn on the little bell icon so you receive notifications of any future videos and don't miss out on any tasty recipes. But more importantly, please consider donating to a relevant cancer charity. I really would appreciate it, and I'm sure countless others would too. You can find my GoFundMe in the description box below. Thank you, and see you next time.